Hey you, and welcome to this video where we help you out how to see Gmail ID password on mobile. And this is quite simple. First of all, what you need to do, click on your own logo. Then from here, click on manage your Google account. And then right here, we go to security. Then right here, we scroll down. And right here, we have the password manager. So right now, click on password manager. Then right now you will find here all the saved passwords for the logins that you once did on a software or application. So for example, if I now tap on bol.com, I need to do my Face ID. And then right now you can see right here, if I click here now on the eye icon, your password for that application. But what if you now go back and search for the Google application? So let's see, it's right here. If I click now on Google, you will find here your name and your username and your password once you save that when you logged into your Google account. So not always you will find it here, but most of the time you will find it right here. So this is exactly how you can see your Gmail ID password on your mobile. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for, and then from now, thanks for watching.